Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 Introduction to Negative Numbers. So let's discuss homework answers first. So exercise 14b, in that third question, find the successor and predecessor of the following. In that G, minus 999. Successor it will be minus 998 and predecessor it will be minus 1000. Okay. Next H, minus 1000. Successor will be minus 999 and predecessor will be minus 1001. Fourth question, use number line to find the integer which is 8 more than 0. D, it is D question. So using number line you will get the answer 8. Okay. Next F, 5 less than minus 5. The answer will be minus 10. Okay. Now fifth question, write the additive inverse of the following. In that E, 25. Additive inverse of 25, it is minus 25. F, additive inverse of minus 54, it is positive 54. Additive inverse of 8, it is minus 8. Additive inverse of 4, it is minus 4. So next topic, subtraction of integers. Okay, so we studied how to add two integers. Next it is subtraction of integers. So let us take one example, 3 minus 4. Okay, so there is one rule to subtract two integers, that is, first change this subtraction sign to plus sign. Okay, question is 3 minus 4. Change this subtraction sign to plus sign first. Okay, next step is the number to be subtracted, which is here, what is the number to be subtracted? It is 4. Okay, the second number, this will be the number to be subtracted. Change its sign. Okay, so 4 will become, 4 means it is positive 4. So on changing its sign, what it will be? It will be minus. Okay, so first you have to change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Next you have to change the sign of the number to be subtracted. Okay, ആദ്യം ഈ മൈനസ് സൈൻ ഉള്ളതിനെ പ്ലസ് സൈൻ ആക്കാം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഏത് നമ്പർ ആണോ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, അതായത് രണ്ടാമത്തെ നമ്പർ, ആ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ സൈൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം. സോ 4 എന്നുള്ളത് മൈനസ് 4 ആയിരിക്കും, പ്ലസ് ഇവിടെ മൈനസ് എന്നുള്ളത് പ്ലസ് ആകും. ഓക്കെ, നൗ യു ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ് ദിസ് 3 പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് 4 വാല്യൂ യു ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ്. ഓക്കെ, അഡീഷൻ ഓഫ് ടു ഇൻഡിജേഴ്സ്, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് അഡീഷൻ ഓഫ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻഡിജർ ആൻഡ് എ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻഡിജർ. സോ വാട്ട് ടു ഡു ദാറ്റ് യു നോ. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻഡിജറിൻ്റെയും പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻഡിജറുമാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഹൗ ക്യാൻ യു ആഡ്? ഫസ്റ്റ് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ദ സ്മോളർ ഇൻഡിജർ or smaller number from the greater number. Smaller number, here smaller number 3, greater number 4. So 4 minus 3, what you will get? 1. Okay, now what to do? Put the sign of the greater number. 4 is the greater number here, its sign is negative. So put negative sign in the answer. So minus 1. This is the answer of 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Okay, ഫസ്റ്റ് മൈനസ് സൈനിനെ പ്ലസ് സൈൻ ആക്കുക. സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ, രണ്ട് ഇൻഡിജേഴ്സ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ മൈനസ് സൈനിനെ ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്ലസ് സൈൻ ആക്കുക. ദെൻ ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് രണ്ടാമത് വരുന്ന നമ്പർ, ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ നമ്പർ ടു ബി സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ, ഈ നമ്പറാണ് നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ എന്ന് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ആ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ, നമ്പർ ടു ബി സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റഡിൻ്റെ സൈൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുക. അത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആകും, നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആകും. Okay, so here it is positive, so it change it to negative 4. Now you can do the addition of positive integer and negative integer. 3 plus minus 4. First subtraction here, 4 minus 3 1 കിട്ടും. Then greater number ന്റെ sign. 4 ആണ് greater number, അതിന്റെ sign minus, so put minus sign. So minus 1 will be the answer. Okay. Another example let us take 3 minus minus 4. So in order to subtract two integer, what to do? First change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Okay, minus sign will become plus. Next, change the sign of number to be subtracted. Here it is minus 4, so that will change to plus 4. Okay, change the subtraction sign to plus sign, change the sign of number to be subtracted. So you will get 3 plus 4, that means 3 plus 4. You will get 7 as answer. Okay. Now exercise 14C. First question, subtract the following. In that A, minus 5 minus 2. So minus 5 minus 2. In order to subtract, what to do? Change this minus sign to plus sign. Next, change the sign of number to be subtracted. Okay, so minus 2. This is the number to be subtracted. That will become plus. Okay, so what you will get? Minus 5 plus 2. Plus 2 you can just write it 2. Okay. Now addition of a negative integer and positive integer. What to do? First subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Okay, that is 5 minus 2. What you will get? 3. Okay, put the sign of greater number. Here 5 is greater number, its sign is minus. So here in the answer also you can put minus sign. Minus 3 will be the answer. Minus 5 minus 2, it is minus 3. Okay, next B, 8 minus 3. So in order to subtract two integers, what to do? First change the subtraction sign, this minus sign to plus sign. Next change the sign of number to be subtracted. Number to be subtracted, it is minus 3. Its sign will become plus. Plus 3 it will be. Okay. Now 8 plus 3. You can just write it 3. 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3? It is 11. Okay. Next is C. Minus 3 minus 4. So what to do? Minus 3 minus 4. Change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 4 means it is positive 4. So that will become negative 4. Okay. Change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 4, it will become minus 4. Now you can add minus 3 plus minus 4. Addition of two negative integers. So what to do? First add the numbers. 3 plus 4, it is 7. And then put minus sign. Okay, so minus 7 will be the answer. Next D, minus 8 minus 3. So what to do? Minus 8, the subtraction sign will become plus sign. Now change the sign of number to be subtracted. So minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay. That is minus 8 plus 3 means it is 3. Okay. Now addition of a negative integer and positive integer. So what to do? First do the subtraction. 8 minus 3, it is 5. Put the sign of greater number. Here it is minus. Okay, so minus 5 will be the answer. Okay. Next E, 5 minus 2. So what to do? First change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So minus 2 will become plus 2. Okay, that is 5 plus 2. Positive 2, you can just write it 2. 5 plus 2, it is 7. So 7 is the answer. Okay. Next, this is F question. Next G, 6 minus plus 2. Okay, so what to do? First change the subtraction sign to plus sign. then change the sign of number to be subtracted. So plus 2 will become minus 2. Okay. Now addition of a positive integer and a negative integer. So what to do? First do the subtraction. 6 minus 2, it is 4. Now put the sign of greater number. Here greater number is 6, its sign is plus. So plus 4 will be the answer. Okay. Next h. Minus 7 minus 4. So what to do? First change the subtraction. This is the subtraction sign. Okay. First integer is minus 7. Then subtraction sign, then 4. Okay. So change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 4 means it is positive 4. That will change to minus 4. Okay. Now minus 7 plus minus 4. That is addition of two negative integers. What to do? First add the numbers. 7 plus 4, 11. Put minus sign also. Okay. So minus 11 will be the answer. Next second question. Exercise 14C second question, simplify. In that A, 3 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7. So here subtraction, addition, mixed it is given. So first let us do the first two numbers. Let us take a first two numbers. 3 minus 5 you have to do. Okay. So subtraction. 3 minus 5. It is subtraction of two integers. So what to do? How to do subtraction? First change this minus sign to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 5 will become minus 5. Okay. Now addition of a negative number and a positive number. First do the subtraction. 5 minus 3 you will get 2. Put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 5 here. So its sign is minus. So in the answer also you can put minus sign. Okay. So the answer is 3 plus minus 5, it is minus 2. Or 3 minus 5, what you got the answer? It is minus 2. Okay. Then you can write down the remaining numbers. Minus 2 plus 6 minus 7. Okay. Next you can do these two numbers. You can take these two numbers. Minus 2 plus 6. Okay. So addition of a negative number and a positive number. What to do? First do the subtraction. 6 minus 2 you will get 4. What will be the sign here? Put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 6 here. 6 means it is positive 6. So it will be positive 4. Okay. Now remaining minus 7 is there. So positive 4 minus 7 now you can do. Okay. So again subtraction. So what to do? Change the minus sign to plus sign. Change the number, sign of number to be subtracted. So 7 will become minus 7. Okay. Now what to do? Addition of a positive number and a negative number. First you have to subtract. 7 minus 4, it is 3. Put the sign of greater number. Greater number here it is 7. Its sign is minus. So the answer is minus 3. This is the final answer. 3 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7. The answer is minus 3. Okay. B. 15 minus 20 plus 5 minus 8. So first let us take a 15 minus 20. Okay. So subtraction of two integers. What to do? First change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Next change the number, sign of the number to be subtracted. So 20 will become minus 20. Now you can do addition of a negative integer and a positive integer. first do the subtraction. 20 minus 15, it is 5. Now put the sign of greater number. Greater number, it is 20. Its sign is minus. So minus 5 you got. So minus 5 plus 5 minus 8. Okay. Next what to do? Next let us take a minus 5 plus 5. Okay. So addition of a negative integer and positive integer. So first do the subtraction, then put the sign of greater number. Okay, 5 minus 5, it is 0. You know 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so you can just write a 0, then minus 8. Okay, so 0 minus 8. Subtraction you have to do. So what to do? First change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Change the sign of the number to be subtracted. Okay, 8 will become minus 8. 0 plus minus 8. Any number, any integer plus 0, you will get that integer itself. Minus 8 plus 0, it is minus 8. So minus 8 is the final answer. Okay. Next C, minus 5, minus 2, minus 8, plus 7. Okay. So first let us take the first two numbers. Minus 5, minus 2. So here subtraction you have to do. What to do? First change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Next, change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 2 will become minus 2. Okay. So minus 5 plus minus 2. Addition of two negative integers. What you will get? First add the numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. Now put minus sign. Okay. So minus 7 you got. Now minus 8 plus 7. Remaining numbers. Okay. Now minus 7 minus 8. Again subtraction of two integers. So what to do? Change this minus sign to plus sign. Change the number to be subtracted. So 8 will become minus 8. Okay. Now minus 7 plus minus 8. Addition of two negative integer. So add the two numbers. 7 plus 8, 15. Then put minus sign. Okay. Minus 15 remaining plus 7. Okay. So minus 15 plus 7. What you will get? Addition of a negative integer and positive integer. So first do the subtraction. 15 minus 7, it is 8. Okay. Then put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 15. Its sign is negative. So in the answer also negative sign will come. So negative 8 is the final answer. Okay. Next G. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 5 plus 7 minus 8. So first let us take minus 1 plus 2. First two numbers. So minus 1 plus 2. What you will get? Addition of a negative integer and a positive integer. So first do the subtraction. 2 minus 1 you will get 1. Now put the sign of greater number. Here among 1 and 2 greater number is 2. Its sign is positive. So the answer will be positive 1. Okay. So positive 1 minus 5 plus 7 minus 8. Write down the remaining numbers. Okay. Next what to do? Plus 1 minus 5. Subtraction. Okay. So this subtraction sign will change to plus sign. Next minus 5. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. Okay. So minus 5 will become plus 5. Now 1. Plus 1 you can take just 1. 1 plus 5. Plus 5 you can take a 5. So 1 plus 5 you know it is 6. Okay. So 6 plus 7 minus 8, remaining numbers. Okay, next what to do? 6 plus 7. What is 6 plus 7? It is 13. 13 remaining minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? It is 13 minus 8, it is 5. That you know. Okay, so 5 is the final answer. Next J, minus 10 plus 9 minus 8 plus 7 minus 6 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so first let us take a minus 10 plus 9. What you will get? You have to do the subtraction, addition of a negative integer and a positive integer. So first you have to subtract the numbers. 10 minus 9 you will get 1. What will be the sign? Put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 10. Its sign is minus. So put minus sign here. Okay. So minus 1, minus 8, plus 7, minus 6, plus 5, minus 4, plus 3, minus 2, plus 1. Now here minus 1 is coming. Here plus 1 is coming. Okay. If both minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Both the signs comes means you can cancel these two numbers. Actually minus 1 plus 1 it is 0. Okay. Minus 2 plus 2 it is 0. Or 2 plus minus 2 it is 0. If a numbers both sign is coming means you can cancel that two numbers. Minus 1 plus 1 it is 0. Okay. So you can cancel these two numbers. Okay. So remaining what you will get? Minus 8 plus 7 minus 6 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2. So first let us take a minus 8 plus 7 next. Okay. What is minus 8 plus 7? Addition of a negative integer and a positive integer. So what you will get? First do the subtraction. 8 minus 7 you will get 1. Okay. Then put the sign of greater number. What is greater number here? 8. Its sign is minus. So minus 1. Okay. So minus 1. Remaining numbers minus 6 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2. Okay. Now next let us do minus 1 minus 6. So minus 1 minus 6. Subtraction of two integers. So what to do? Change this minus sign to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 6 will become minus 6. Okay. So minus 1 plus minus 6. What to do? Addition of two negative integers. So first add the numbers. 1 plus 6 it is 7. Now put minus sign. Okay. So minus 7. Remaining numbers or integers it is plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2. Okay. Now next step we can do minus 7 plus 5. So what to do? Addition of a negative integer and positive integer. First do the subtraction. 7 minus 5 you will get 2. After that put the sign of greater number. Okay, greater number is 7. Its sign is minus. So minus 2. Remaining numbers minus 4 plus 3 minus 2. Listen, here minus 2. Here also minus 2. Same sign it is coming. Okay, so don't cancel. If minus 2 and plus 2 comes, then only you can cancel. രണ്ടിനും ഒരേ സൈൻ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ക്യാൻസൽ ഒരിക്കലും ചെയ്യരുത്. രണ്ടെണ്ണത്തിനും ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈൻസിലുള്ളതാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ മൈനസ് 2 ഇവിടെ പ്ലസ് 2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ പ്ലസ് 2 ഇവിടെ മൈനസ് 2 അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 0 ആയിരിക്കും. ബട്ട് സെയിം സൈൻ രണ്ടും പോസിറ്റീവ് 2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടും നെഗറ്റീവ് 2 അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഡോണ്ട് ക്യാൻസൽ. ഓക്കെ, സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റ് us do minus 2 minus 4. So subtraction of two integers. What to do? Change the subtraction sign to plus sign. change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 4 will become minus 4. Okay. So addition of two negative integers, what you will get? First add the numbers. 2 plus 4 6. Put minus sign. Okay. Minus 6. Then remaining numbers plus 3 minus 2. Okay. Next what to do? Minus 6 plus 3 you can do. What is minus 6 plus 3? Addition of a negative number and a positive number. First subtraction. 6 minus 3, it is 3. Put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 6. Its sign is minus. So minus 3. Okay. Remaining minus 2. You can write. Okay. Minus 3 minus 2. Next. So at subtraction it is change the subtraction sign to plus. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So 2 will become minus 2. Okay. Minus 3 plus minus 2. Addition of two negative numbers. So first add the numbers. 3 plus 2 5. Then put minus sign. So minus 5 is the final answer. Okay. Next K, minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 up to 20 numbers it is given here. Okay. So you have to find the answer. Actually it is very simple. If a number with both a negative sign and a positive number is coming means its result, final result will be 0. Minus 3 plus 3. Both negative 3 and positive 3 is coming. So it will be 0. Okay. Minus 4 plus 4. It is 0. Or in this way also it will come. 5 plus minus 5. 5 means it is positive 5. Here minus 5. Okay. 5 plus minus 5. It is 0. Okay. So here minus 3 plus 3 we can pair. 1 minus 3 here plus 3 is coming. So this you can cancel. This will be 0. Again minus 3 plus 3 it is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 it is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 0. Again minus 3 plus 3 0. Minus 3 plus 3 0. This is also zeros. Okay. So final answer it will be 0. Okay. Third question, fill in the blanks by less than, greater than, equal to. Okay, so minus 15, minus 8, minus 3. So first you have to solve minus 8, minus 3. What you will get? Here subtraction. So change the subtraction sign to plus sign. Change the sign of the number to be subtracted. So you will get minus 8 plus minus 3. It is addition of two negative integers. First add the numbers 8 plus 3 11 and then put minus sign. So minus 11 is coming in right side. Okay. So among minus 15 and minus 11 which is greater one? It is minus 11. In case of negative numbers take the opposite case. Okay. If 15 and 11 comes means 15 is greater. If minus 15 and minus 11 is coming means minus 11 is greater. Okay, so here the sign will be less than sign. Minus 15 less than minus 11. Okay. Now B. Next to B, minus 3 plus minus 4. Then 5. Okay. So what is minus 3 plus minus 4? You can find that. Addition of two negative integers. So first add the numbers. 3 plus 4, 7. Then put minus sign. Okay. So minus 7. 5 which is greater? Positive integer and a negative integer is given means positive integer will be greater. Okay. Or every positive integers are greater than every negative numbers. So minus 7 less than 5 you will get. To see minus 5 plus 5. Here minus 2 minus minus 2. So minus 5 plus 5. Addition of two integers having same magnitude. Both have 5 as number. Okay, but opposite sign. What is minus 5 plus 5? Addition of a number having same magnitude but opposite sign. That will be 0. Okay, minus 5 plus 5, it is 0. Now minus 2 minus minus 2. So here subtraction is coming. Subtraction sign, change it to plus sign. Change the sign of number to be subtracted. So minus 2 will become plus 2. Okay. So now minus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 you can just write a 2. Minus 2 plus 2. Again you will get 0. Okay. So 0 on left side and 0 on right side. So it is equal. Okay. 0 equal to 0 you will get. Here the sign answer is equal to sign. Okay. Now do the remaining problems of 1, 2 and 3 as homework. So our chapter 14 is over. So this much for this class. Thank you.